Oh, I just stabbed myself in my eye. This is the wig. I'm just gonna pluck out some of the hairs. We are about to put this wig on. As y'all can see, I did pluck a little bit of it. I also went in and bleached the knots. I did that off camera, so the knots are already bleached. It's already plucked, and this is about to be like the easiest and fastest install ever. When I say like it's literally 1 2 3, it's 1 2 3, like nothing to it but to do it. Grab my mirror. So I already have my ball cap on, so really, because it's a 5x5 closure, you just need like from here to here. You don't need the whole hair. You don't need the whole edges. So I'm just cutting it off like that. And cut. I don't really care. I'll deal with that. Actually, I'm just gonna tuck the rest underneath the cap so that it has some grip to it. And then if like the wind blows and my edges show, you can see my edges. Probably end up doing something with my edges, like in case the wind does blow. But okay, so we have our cap on. Really, when I tell y'all this is about to be so quick, so easy, you're not even gonna believe how long this is gonna take me. So actually, I'm gonna time myself. So it is 3:16, so I guarantee you I'll be done before 4 o'clock. Bet. Tint my lace, and I'm using the Ebon Tinted Lace Spray in the shade medium dark brown, and just doing like a light coat on this, like that. Alright, and then I'm gonna spray with some free spray. Ooh, this is a little slug, and I'm not mad at it. And I'm gonna do 3 layers of the glue because we going out tonight and we got a long day and it's super hot outside, so glue might not be the best option, but I'ma do my glue regardless. I just love the way glue looks, so yeah, it is what it is. I might actually do like 4 layers, honestly. It's hot outside. Honestly, with the like middle part bone straight look, I would definitely do like jet black, but the hair companies don't be wanting you to color their hair no more, so we just gotta go natural brown. And I don't know, I kind of wanted like the middle part bust down, like looking like real sleek type of look, but I guess, you know, this will have to do. It's still gonna look good, but it's just the color difference that's like in my head. And then I was thinking about possibly crimping this or curling this, but because I'm not going out until later, I don't want either of my crimps or my curls to fall. So I think I'm just gonna straighten it now, and then if I decide to like do the crimps or curls, then I'll just do that later on. But for today, we're gonna straighten this baby out. Honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna do 2 layers or 4. I think I should just do 4, like it's really hot. So I put 4 layers of glue on, so I'm about to just press it into the glue. This is on. It's not looking too bad. We're just gonna spray the got to be right in the front, just like that, just like that. And we're using the air conditioner as the blow dryer. And we're gonna tie the front down. So now it's time to style. So I'm just going to fix my part and just make sure that my part is nice and straight. And it is not. I need to flatten it so that I can actually see the knots, so that I can see if it's straight or where do I need to go, where do I need to take it. Help to see a little bit more clearer. And now we're gonna flatten that out with our hot comb. I haven't had like bone straight black hair in a heavy Mississippi minute. Valley, because it's been a Mississippi minute. I'm not gonna lie, with this hairstyle, I definitely wish that my hair was braided down and not like in a bun, because I definitely feel like you can see like the hump on my head. Like, y'all see the bun? But I don't know, I don't think it looks like terrible. If it does, I'm just gonna take the bun out. Okay, so back to the part. Alright, so I'm gonna leave that alone for now, and I'm just gonna go in and just re-straighten the rest of the hair, because you know when they package it up and then it gets sent and mailed and all of that type of stuff, it just ends up having like a little wave to it. But we want this thing bone straight. I don't know, I definitely think I might end up curling it later on. Just like big body curls, I might even cut some layers into it too. If I decide to do that, then I'll show you guys the 2 different styles with this wig and we'll just go from there. But I don't know, like the bone straight is giving, but I think I just want more body. So we'll see. Y'all, Love Me hair normally just always just feels good. It just comes through on both aspects, like lace, the hair texture, like density, everything. They just always come through. They be knowing what they doing, okay? And the hair just feels so good. Never feels bad, ever. I've worked with them plenty of times, and every single wig that I have tried has been top tier. And even like when my clients ask me like where do I recommend like affordable wigs, like with top websites, I always tell them like luvmehair for sure. Always. They never miss. Now that that is done, we're gonna take this off. And so I think I may have plucked like too much in this area, so it looks a little bit wide, but we're gonna fix that. Right now our main concern is fixing the fronts. And this is the fun part, because now you get to see how bomb the lace melted. Now I don't know. Oh, I just stabbed myself in my eye. Ouch. I legit just stabbed myself in my eye. And I just got my nails done, so they are really sharp right now. And that hurt so bad. I hope it doesn't leave a bruise. Okay, so here, so honestly, we don't even have to do baby hairs. Like, we really don't. Really don't. But the part is just like throwing me off, and I cannot see the vision, so we're gonna have to fix that like right now. And then I'm gonna use my color touch up. You could do the no baby hair look, but y'all know I love my baby hairs, so we're gonna do the baby hairs. And we could definitely do the no baby hair look. Like, let me zoom in so that y'all can see what I'm seeing. Like, where is it? Where is the lace? Honestly, where is it? So we could definitely do the no baby hair look, but I'm a baby hair girl, okay? So baby hair is this. It's the next day. I'm about to crimp my hair. I'm just gonna do like a few big sections and spray it with some Ethnicity. Now we're gonna grab this section underneath. Spray. I don't care for them to be neat. I just wanted some like body to the hair. So really we're just doing big sections. I'm calling it a day. Here is one side, and I'm gonna just hurry up and do the rest. Alright y'all, so that's it. We're all done with the install, and I just put some curls into it, some big wand curls, and I cut some layers in the front just to get this like big body wave, effortless, messy, curly bedhead look. So I actually really love these curls. A little bit better than the crimps, I think. I know I didn't show you guys how the crimps turned out, but that was because the other day it was just like, you know, a little bit of a rush. But as y'all can see, like I did straight with this hair, I did crimps, and I just curled it, and it still has a nice texture to it, even though there's a lot of product in it from like trying to keep the styles. But you know, it's still giving body, it's still moving, it's not stiff at all, and the length of this wig is perfect. So again, if y'all are interested in purchasing this wig or just checking out their website, they are not new to y'all. Y'all know who luvmehair is. So if y'all are interested in getting some coupon codes or just getting some money off for some nice decent wigs, good quality, nice hair textures, good density, nice lace, like all of that, then just check the description box down below. Everything will be down there for y'all, everything. So go ahead and check that out, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to your girl's channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.